Overlooking essential expenses might seem harmless, but even small financial gaps can have a lasting impact. Many people focus on cutting back on luxuries while missing critical costs that protect their future. Ignoring these can lead to stress, unexpected bills, or worse, a financial crisis. According to recent data, nearly 40% of Americans would struggle to cover an unexpected $400 emergency, often due to overlooked expenses like insurance premiums or healthcare. These small but crucial costs can add up, leaving your budget strained and your peace of mind at risk. In this video, we'll get into 20 commonly ignored expenses and how addressing them can improve your financial well-being. Covering healthcare to maintenance costs, we'll provide actionable tips to help you avoid these pitfalls and secure your financial future. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Maintenance costs. Neglected maintenance costs for homes and vehicles often lead to costly repairs. Allocate funds for routine inspections, repairs, and upkeep. Regular maintenance extends the lifespan of your assets. For example, the average cost of an oil change ranges from $35 to $75, and replacing an engine can cost between $5,000 and $10,000. Vehicles benefit from timely oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks. Addressing minor issues saves significantly compared to ignoring them. For homes, prioritize HVAC systems, roofs, and plumbing to avoid major replacements. Proactive maintenance improves efficiency and prevents surprises. Establish a schedule and budget for these essential upkeep tasks to safeguard investments. Number 2. Insurance premiums. Failing to account for insurance premiums can lead to financial vulnerability during unforeseen events. Home, health, and auto policies ensure protection, but their costs often get overlooked when budgeting. Regularly review your policies to prevent lapses or unexpected hikes. Ignoring premium payments can also create unnecessary financial strain during emergencies. Adjusting coverage and exploring options may help lower costs without sacrificing protection. Staying informed about renewal terms avoids surprises. Long-term neglect of premiums risks leaving dependents or assets unprotected. Ensure timely payments and proper coverage to manage these essential costs responsibly. A proactive approach secures both current and future stability. Number 3. Healthcare costs. Overlooking routine healthcare expenses can escalate minor health issues into major concerns. Budget for regular checkups, medications, and preventive care. These small investments reduce the risk of high medical bills later. Delaying essential treatments often results in compounded costs. Early interventions minimize expenses and promote better overall health outcomes. Include dental and vision care in your financial plans for comprehensive wellness. Unplanned healthcare emergencies can destabilize finances. By maintaining an emergency fund and health insurance, you prepare for both expected and unexpected needs. This proactive approach mitigates stress and supports recovery. Number 4. Taxes. Failing to plan for taxes can disrupt personal budgets. Set aside funds throughout the year to avoid scrambling during tax season. Awareness of tax obligations ensures you remain financially prepared. Underestimating tax liabilities can result in penalties. Monitor changes in tax laws and consult professionals to optimize your filings. Understanding deductions or credits maximizes savings while reducing risks. Managing taxes responsibly strengthens your overall financial health. Timely payments and accurate reporting maintain credibility while avoiding unnecessary fees. This disciplined approach supports financial stability. Number 5. Utility bills. Utility costs often vary, making them easy to underestimate. Incorporate averages into your budget to accommodate seasonal spikes in electricity or heating. Monitoring usage patterns helps control expenses. Energy-efficient appliances and habits significantly reduce utility bills. Simple adjustments like turning off unused lights or ceiling drafts can save money. Evaluate energy providers periodically for competitive rates. Ignoring utility bills risks service interruptions and late fees. Paying promptly avoids additional charges, while mindful usage prevents waste. Prioritize managing this essential household expense effectively. Number 6. Subscription services. Subscription services can silently drain your finances if overlooked. Assess ongoing subscriptions for streaming, apps, and memberships. Cancel those no longer used to reclaim unnecessary expenses. Small monthly fees accumulate, impacting your budget over time. Periodically reviewing subscriptions prevents unintentional overspending. Consider bundling services to maximize value. Awareness of automatic renewals avoids surprises. Setting reminders to evaluate services ensures you're only paying for what you need. Conscious spending enhances financial control. Number 7. Childcare and education. Overlooking childcare and education costs can strain family budgets unexpectedly. Include tuition, daycare, and extracurricular fees in your financial planning. Early savings alleviate future stress. Childcare providers and schools often increase fees annually. Anticipate these adjustments to stay financially prepared. Exploring scholarships or grants may reduce overall expenses. Investing in education supports long-term success. Planning for these costs today provides children with better opportunities without compromising family stability. Proactive budgeting aligns with future goals. Number 8. Emergency savings. Emergency savings safeguard against financial disruptions. Ignoring this expense leaves you vulnerable to unexpected costs like medical bills or car repairs. Building an emergency fund ensures preparedness. Consistent contributions create a safety net over time. Start small and gradually increase savings as your budget allows. This disciplined habit fosters financial resilience. A lack of emergency funds often forces reliance on credit or loans. Avoid added debt by prioritizing this essential financial goal. Preparedness brings peace of mind. Number 9. Travel expenses. Travel expenses often exceed expectations if left unplanned. Budgeting for transportation, accommodations, and meals avoids surprises. Researching costs beforehand ensures realistic expectations. Unanticipated fees, such as baggage charges or tolls, can disrupt plans. Allowing flexibility within your budget accommodates these variables. Choosing economical options maximizes enjoyment without overspending. Regular travel planning reduces stress while controlling costs. Thoughtful preparation allows for enriching experiences without compromising financial stability. Balance exploration with responsibility. Number 10. Loan payments. Loan repayments are critical expenses that demand attention. Ignoring them risks penalties and credit score impacts. Allocate funds monthly for mortgage, auto, or student loan payments. Timely repayments reduce overall interest and shorten loan terms. Consider refinancing options to secure better rates if needed. Discipline ensures manageable debt levels. Managing loans effectively supports long-term financial health. Staying ahead of obligations prevents complications and builds a stronger foundation for future goals. Responsible borrowing fosters success. Make sure to keep being aware of whatever loan payment you may need to pay. Number 11. Technology upgrades. Overlooking costs for technology, upgrades often results in inefficiency or unexpected expenses. Plan for replacing phones, laptops, or software periodically. Budgeting for these needs supports productivity. Avoid impulse purchases by researching options beforehand. Choose quality products that provide long-term value rather than short-term fixes. Timed upgrades optimize costs. Well-maintained technology enhances personal and professional lives. Addressing these costs proactively ensures smooth functionality and minimal disruption. Invest wisely to maintain performance. Number 12. Credit card interest. The median average credit card interest rate for November 2024 is 25%. Credit card interest rates escalate debt when balances are ignored. Pay off balances monthly to avoid unnecessary charges. Budgeting for repayments ensures manageable finances. Carrying high-interest debt reduces disposable income. Minimize usage or consolidate debt to lower interest rates. Regularly reviewing statements prevents overspending. Understanding credit card terms empowers better financial decisions. Consistent payments improve credit scores and lower long-term costs. Prioritize tackling this hidden expense. Number 13. Professional fees. Professional fees, such as legal or accounting services, often get ignored but are essential for financial planning. Include these costs in your budget to prevent surprises. Hiring professionals ensures compliance with legal or financial regulations. Their expertise minimizes risks and maximizes benefits. Timely consultations help manage complexities efficiently. Regular engagement with professionals supports informed decisions. Addressing these fees fosters stronger financial security and strategic growth. View them as investments, not burdens. Number 14. Pet care costs. Caring for pets involves more than food and toys. Medical expenses and grooming add to the budget. Include vaccinations, checkups, and flea treatments in financial plans to avoid unexpected costs. Proper budgeting ensures pets receive the care they need. Ignoring these costs risks their well-being and your finances during emergencies. Emergency vet visits can be costly without preparation. Investing in pet insurance may help manage unexpected bills. Routine care prolongs your pet's health while controlling expenses. Allocating funds for their needs ensures happy, healthy companionship. Prioritizing this expense reflects responsible ownership. Number 15. Grocery inflation. Grocery prices fluctuate due to market conditions, impacting household budgets significantly. Monitoring spending and adjusting choices help manage this critical expense. Look for sales or buy in bulk to save. Ignoring price changes can create gaps in monthly finances. Plan meals to reduce waste and avoid overspending. Keeping a list and sticking to it prevents impulse purchases. Smart grocery habits stretch your budget and maintain nutrition. By adapting to price trends, you avoid unnecessary strain. Consistent planning balances health and financial goals. Number 16. Holiday expenses. Seasonal expenses, including gifts, decorations, and celebrations, often disrupt budgets without prior planning. Setting aside funds throughout the year prevents financial strain. Establishing spending limits ensures thoughtful purchases. Overlooking holiday costs may result in unnecessary debt. Last-minute purchases often come with higher prices or limited choices. Planning early balances enjoyment with responsibility. Holiday budgeting maintains financial health while creating memorable experiences. By prioritizing this expense, you support festive traditions without overextending yourself. Responsible spending leads to joyful celebrations. Number 17. Fitness and gym memberships. Fitness expenses, including memberships and equipment, add up over time. Regularly evaluate the value of services you use. Cancel unused subscriptions to prevent waste. Overlooking these costs undermines financial goals while limiting physical health. Exploring outdoor workouts or community programs may provide affordable alternatives. Balancing fitness priorities with budget limits reduces strain. Investing in health supports both well-being and financial stability. Thoughtful spending ensures access to quality fitness resources without unnecessary costs. Prioritizing these needs aligns with a balanced lifestyle. Number 18. Charitable donations. Donations, while meaningful, require careful consideration within your budget. Setting a specific amount for giving ensures financial stability. Tracking contributions prevents overspending. Unplanned generosity may impact essential expenses. Supporting causes through planned donations reflects your values while preserving financial health. Research organizations to maximize the impact of your contributions. Intentional giving fosters both generosity and responsibility. By budgeting donations, you support meaningful causes without jeopardizing personal stability. Thoughtful planning enhances your charitable impact. Number 19. Home renovation savings. Periodic home renovations preserve property value and improve living conditions. Allocating funds for repairs or upgrades prevents budget shocks. Planning ensures affordability without compromising quality. Ignoring these costs risks structural issues or declining home value. Regular assessments highlight areas needing attention, avoiding major repairs. Small projects often save more than large, urgent renovations. Proactive renovation budgeting supports both comfort and investment. Thoughtful planning balances current needs with future goals, fostering long-term financial stability. This disciplined approach enhances home ownership satisfaction. Number 20. Event attendance. Attending weddings, birthdays, or other events often brings unplanned costs. Budgeting for gifts, travel, and attire helps manage this expense. Being prepared ensures participation without stress. Ignoring event costs may lead to financial strain or missed opportunities. Establishing a reserve fund accommodates these occasional yet important commitments. Prioritizing expenses supports meaningful relationships. Participating in events enhances connections and personal growth. By managing associated costs, you enjoy occasions without overextending finances. Responsible planning reflects care for both relationships and resources. How to stay ahead financially. Your financial health depends on how well you manage essential yet often overlooked expenses. These hidden costs, when neglected, can lead to unnecessary stress and setbacks. By budgeting for critical needs like insurance, maintenance, and emergency savings, you protect yourself and your loved ones against future financial pitfalls. Addressing these expenses proactively not only secures your finances, but also gives you peace of mind. Small steps, such as reviewing subscriptions or planning for healthcare, can significantly impact your financial future. Remember, success lies in consistency and thoughtful planning. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.